I have a lot of time during the summers to travel and explore different parts of the world, and that's where I mostly hone my photography. I do a lot of travel photography when I am adventuring over the summer. Currently I'm working on several lookbooks for some local artists who are fashion designers and people who do crafts, and I also do wedding photography. I grew up with a father who's a journalist, and so he taught me to be very inquisitive and to see around corners and how to approach people. So when I'm in these foreign countries and trying to get to know people from these different cultures, I keep that in mind in how to be very thoughtful and cautious and accepting and understanding all at the same time so that I can attract people. So when I approach these different opportunities, I really try to make connections with the people involved with really big projects. The work that I'm showing the Raw Showcase is the Chinese opera. So I see these opportunities to get very close to the subjects and see them in their element and get the bigger picture even though I'm cropping it down to one frame to present it to my audience. I hope one day these photographic series that I produce during my travels abroad will lead me to perhaps a job or a career with National Geographic or more opportunities to travel. I see Richmond as a really rich community of artists, and I think that RAW gives us a great opportunity to build stronger connections and get to know each other even better. My name is JANPIM Wolf, and I am a RAW artist.